My name's Callum McVeigh and I'm an electrical engineer here at the Laverton Melt Shop. I started InfraBuild in 2016 as a student engineer. I became a graduate in 2019 and then I've been an electrical engineer in the melt shop for 3 years full time now. I've worked everywhere from the scrap frame all the way to the trucks coming out the front gate and everything in between, so the melt shop all through the rolling mills. So there's a lot to see on site and it's been great, just the breadth of projects I've been able to be a part of. The business was very accommodating with my study needs and gave me the time to study for exams through my whole education. So it's been great. Advice to future grads would be a part of everything, anything that takes your interest, get involved. There's a lot to learn, we've got a lot of knowledgeable people here and they're willing to talk to you and give you answers, so you've just got to take the step and become a part of it. The plant's been running for 40 years. We're still setting production records. There's a lot of new projects going in, big capital upgrades, trying to get us to 1 million tonne. A lot of that's down to the commitment and knowledge of our people. So there's a lot of knowledge in this plant and it's been great to be a member of it. I'm coming up to 6 years with InfraBuild and I'm still learning something new every day, so you never know what's around the corner.